This is a section of compact bone under the cross-section orientation. That's why you can see your osteons here are circular. So again, the type of lamellae that forms your osteons would be your concentric lamellae. And then in between your concentric lamellae or osteons, that would be your interstitial lamellae. And then let's see, in the edges, you would have your circumferential type of lamellae. In this tissue section, you can also see the central canals or Haverian canals, which is located at the center of your osteons. You can also see the transverse or Volkmann's canal connecting two central or Haverian canals. If we zoom in, we can better appreciate the numerus lacuna, which houses your osteocytes. And if we use 400x magnification, we can better appreciate your osteocytes. So some lacuna would have your osteocytes, some would not have it. And then you will see this cracks, which projects from your lacuna. This would be your canaliculi. So they house the cytoplasmic processes of your osteocytes. And again, this would be your central canal. These central canals would house the blood vessels and nerves of your compact bone.